Hey boys and girls, look what we have here. Rappy Goes to the Supermarket by Dan Gutman and illustrated by Tim Bowers. Here we go. I'm rapping and snapping all the time. Whenever I talk, I'm talking in rhyme. I'm rapping in the basement. I'm rapping in the kitchen. I rap when a mosquito bites and really gets me itching. My mom said, "Let's go. I have errands to run. I'd rather stay home. Errands aren't any fun." "Rappy," Mom hollered, "we've got to go out." I rolled my eyes and began to pout. "Where are you taking me? I really want to know. Why are you making me? I don't want to go." "Are we going to the cleaners? Are we going on vacation? Are we going to the car wash? Or maybe the gas station?" No, 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 no. Mom pulled the car into a lot. She couldn't find a parking spot. Then, at last, she finally parked it. We were at the supermarket. Buying stuff is such a drag. Mom got out her shopping bags. Supermarkets are so boring. I already feel like snoring. "Wait a minute," Mommy said. "There's something that I missed. How can I do my shopping? I forgot my shopping list." "Don't worry, Mom," I said. "We don't need to go home. I remember all that stuff. I wrote a little poem. Mustard, custard, cornflakes, cupcakes. Pork chops, cough drops, cold cuts, peanuts. Apple fritter, kitty litter, clam chowder, foot powder. Chips and dips and bacon strips." Mom and I went down each aisle. I think we must have walked a mile. They have a million kinds of cheese, breads, and honey made by bees, cookies, gum, and juice in jars. Look at all those candy bars. Treats and goodies make me drool. Hey, supermarkets can be cool. We got a dozen jumbo eggs, some milk, some cake, and turkey legs, toothpaste and windshield scraper. But what about the toilet paper? "Oh, never mind," Mom said. "Forget it." "No, Mom," I said. "I'll go get it." I told Mom I'd do my best, and I set out on my quest. I'd search the shelves to reach my goal and find the toilet paper rolls. Supermarkets are amazing. They have 7 kinds of raisins, pretzels, and crackers for hungry snackers. They could feed the Green Bay Packers. Oodles of noodles and all kinds of goop. They have soup that helps you poop. At last I found what I was needing. In my chest my heart was beating. But when I pulled one from under, there came a sound a lot like thunder. I knew that it was time to go when someone yelled, "Watch out below!" And then that toilet paper mountain rained down upon me like a fountain. "Help!" I shouted. Then I said, "There's toilet paper on my head." The manager came running over. His name tag said to call him Grover. He didn't look like he was happy when I said my name was Rappy. The manager said, "You're a pest. You made a mess. And now I'm feeling lots of stress. I'm gonna scream and lose control unless you pick up every roll." I was feeling kinda sick. I had to think of something quick. "Attention, shoppers! In aisle 4, there is something on the floor. Something that I know you need. This stuff works. It's guaranteed. It never fails. It won't get stale. And today only, it's on sale. You can wear it on your head or give it to your Uncle Fred. You could get some for your cousin. I think you should buy a dozen. But just in case you forget 'em, this is something for your bottom. I'll take 3, some lady said. I can store them in my shed. I want 10, yelled one tall man, who put them in his minivan. Gimme some, said another. I can share them with my brother. In the end, the floor was clean and Grover was no longer mean. He didn't scream and he didn't yell. He just said, "This kid can sell." I'm Rappy the Raptor, and I like to say, I may not talk in the usual way. I love hopping and I love bopping, and I know that I love shopping.